Hello everyone. I hope you are all well. So let's jump into it. We have numéro 1. Numéro 1. Kofi est malade. Il marche vite, lentement. Kofi is ill. He walks quickly, slowly. See, the correct answer is il marche lentement. He walks slowly. See, he walks slowly. He walks slowly because he is ill. So lentement. Sorry, lentement. Lentement is the correct answer. Lentement. Now, 2. Ama est intelligente. Elle travaille en classe. Bien, mal. Ama is intelligent. She works blank in class. So the correct answer, we have bien, good, or well. Then mal is bad. The correct answer is bien. Elle travaille bien. See. Now, numéro 3. It means, yes, she is intelligent. She works well in class. Now, numéro 3. L'homme est très riche. Il a d'argent. Beaucoup, peu. The man is very rich. He has blank money. A lot. You have peu is less. So the correct answer is a lot. He has a lot of money. See, he has a lot of money. Please, I'm coming. Yes, I hope now it's good. Maintenant, numéro 4. Le manguier est un... Nous avons, we have arbre, fruit. The mango tree is a blank tree, fruit. So the correct answer is arbre. Arbre to mean the mango tree is a tree, not a fruit. 5. Paul a faim. Il doit dormir, manger. Paul is hungry. In French, you say it. It literally means you have to say it like he has hungry. You see, he has hungry. So to translate it as he is hungry. Okay. So now il doit he must sleep, manger, to sleep, to eat. So the correct answer is to eat. Paul is hungry. He must eat. You see. Maintenant, 6. Le sac est sale. Va le laver, coucher. This sentence means the bag is dirty. Go to eat it. You have blank, wash. You have coucher, to wash, to sleep. Now, the correct answer is laver. See, laver. Yes. Now I think it's correct. Laver, yes. Numéro 7. L'élève fait le devoir dans son ... We have sac, we have cahier. Now, it means the student does the homework in his blank. You have sack, which means bag, the school bag, and then cahier means notebook or exercise book. So the correct answer is cahier. The student does the homework in his exercise book. Maintenant, numéro 8, number 8. Le professeur écrit au tableau avec une ... gomme craie. The professor or teacher writes au tableau means on the board with a. You have blank, eraser or chalk. So the correct answer is chalk, because the chalk is used to write on the board. So yes. Maintenant, il fait, numéro 9, il fait des pantalons. C'est un ... médecin, tailleur. He does trousers, or he sews trousers. He is a ... So say means it is, but in this case we can translate it as being he is, because the passage, the sentence talking about he is blank. Medicine is a doctor, and tailleur is tailor. So the correct answer is a tailor. Now, numéro 10. L'homme boit du ... café, riz. The man drinks some... You have coffee. You have rice. The correct answer is you cannot drink rice, so the correct answer is coffee. Café in French. Café. Ici. Maintenant, numéro 11. L'animal habite dans la forêt. The animal lives or stays at or lives in the forest. Now, the second sentence. Les animaux dans la forêt. The animals belong in the forest. So here is the conjugation of the verb to live. To live in French, in present tense, in présent de l'indicatif in French. So we have j'habite for I stay or I live. Tu habites, you stay. See, there is S that we add when it is tu. Il arrive, he stays. Elle arrive, she stays. Here you just remove only R. You just remove only R and keep the rest. You see, nous habitons. So nous, you add on. You see, vous habitez. So vous, you add AZ at the end, or just Z at the end, and after removing R. So il habite, elle habite. For plural, you add ENT. See, that's the way these verbs are conjugated. Many of the verbs ending in ER. See, and except aller, which is conjugated differently. So the correct answer is here. Animals plural. So the correct answer is this. This should be the correct answer. It should be here. It should be written here. So it will be written here because we have animals which can be replaced by the pronoun they, il. It can be replaced by this pronoun il. You see. Maintenant, numéro 12. Numéro 12. Numéro 12. Je travaille au marché. I work at the market. See, now you have blank. Travaillons. See this on. We talked about it. It goes with nous. Au marché. So, as explained already, this verb ends in er. So, the correct answer is this. Nous travaillons. So, since we have travaillons here, so this is the correct answer. So, here you put nous. Nous is missing. Nous travaillons should be here. Nous travaillons au marché. Maintenant, let's come here. Nous avons 13. Cette fille est belle. This woman is beautiful. So now you want to say this girl is beautiful. You want to say these girls are beautiful. Ces filles sont belles. You see. Now we have ce, which is masculine singular. Ce too, which is masculine singular, and set, which is feminine. Ce goes with a word starting with a consonant, like in this case, ce garçon, this boy. But this one, ce with T goes with a word starting with a vowel. Like here, you have ce d'élève, ce d'élève. You see. Now, set goes with feminine singular word and like noun. So you have set fille, set fille. All of them mean like ce garçon. You see, ce garçon, this boy, cet élève, this student, cette fille, this girl. You see. Now you have here se, which means these, the plural for this or ce, the plural for ce and set is se, these. So you have ce garçon. You can use it with any one of them. Ce garçon, these boys, ces élèves, these students, ces filles, these girls. Yes. So the correct answer is ces filles. Yes, plural. So ces filles should be here. Ces filles. Okay. Maintenant, continuons. Nous avons 30. Non, numéro 14. Mon petit chien est là. My little dog is here. See, Ella. It can be là, like là-bas, can means there. But if you say mon petit chien est là, it can also mean my dog is there, est là, or is present. You see, so we have plural. Mes chiens sont là. My, it should be my dogs are present. Mes petits chiens sont là. Then you add s to petit because there is s here. So the s should be added to petit. So the so should be petit with s. Petit with s.